So it's been a minute. I think last time I recorded a video here was us putting the summer tires on the car.
Was it doing the summer tires?
No, it was the thermostat.
No. It was putting the thermostat on. Yeah.
But the video before that was us putting the summer tires on the car, and then it just sat because the thermostat went out. So yeah. So now we're putting the summer tires back on the car.
Yep. Hello. God, this is Chicago, so.
Yeah, this just happened. Hail. Just hail. It's like little balls.
What do you mean by that?
Oh yeah, it just hailed for like 5 minutes. And mind you, maybe like an hour ago, it was clear. Nice weather, good day. And then it just turned to this outside. Just this. So, back in the garage in the speed shop. We have a lot of stuff to do today. We're putting on his summer tires and his Corksport skid plate. Got that in there. Doing that today. I think maybe.
After. Yeah.
Anyway.
Whole new shroud here, new radiator, new condenser.
Yeah, all that got replaced.
Yep.
Because the plug on the radiator was leaking, and so we couldn't even after we got off the car, we couldn't get it to close or even come off. So yeah, so that's what we did. It took us probably like a day's of work. It wasn't that hard, honestly. It was basically the same setup or the same steps to take off the front end for the thermostat. We just did it again for the radiator. Alright. So we put the summer tires on. Or summer wheels. Sorry. Summer wheels on. Those are the old winter ones. Summer ones on here. And then now we're going to jack up the car and do the skid plate. Corksport.
Corksport.
Yeah.
And you got to make sure you tag on IG. Corksport.
There it is. You guys remember the look. It's the same look. Same exact look. So yeah.
We do got some things coming. But we gotta get a tune first.
Yeah.
So
Tune gotta go first.
tune has to happen first.
And that'll be recorded.
Yeah.
All that will be recorded. Cause if I'm not with you, I'll give you the GoPro. You can just.
Oh, you don't need to. I gotta have somebody hyping me up.
We're gonna do the skid plate.
Oh yeah, yours is brand new. Why did they get the janky one?
Hold on. And I got.
Yeah, they use rubber. That's it. Oh, this is the this is the three that go onto the radiator.
It's freezing here in Chicago.
But that's new because you don't need
Or
it.
Indiana.
Well, we're not going to replace it. So. You hit the staple.
Well, you don't hit the staple, man.
No,
Hit the staple's not staple.
I got the wheels on.
Hey, look, we have two of them now. This one?
I was gonna grab that one, but he was like, no, put it back on my car. So I was like, fine.
This goes in the bumper. So you know the full thing, right? This the bumper and this. Alright, cool.
Yeah, done?
But the other part is, because of the two catch cans, we gotta
We're gonna cut a hole in it. Once you figure out where the hole, yeah, we gotta mark the hole and cut it out.
And now I wish I had a piece of plastic still.
Oh, from underneath? Because you
could
could
have
have marked it, yeah. Sorry. No, but this goes in the bumper.
Mm-hmm.
In the front. And obviously that goes
Underneath the engine.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Brand new. Just machined.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Corksport.
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 Every time you say it, I'm gonna put that video in there. Do
you guys want anything? Like something to drink or something? Hot tea. Coffee. Starbucks. You want coffee?
Look, she said coffee.
I know you want
You can't
coffee.
even have any coffee.
No, him.
Who can't have coffee?
Her.
Why not?
Lent.
You gave her coffee for that?
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Coffee and meat.
Yeah.
Oh, you sacrificed it.
No, meat on. What? We have stuff like this. This will be secure anyway on the back part. This part slides.
I mean, and plus, this part, we end up getting the splitter.
We're attached to this anyway.
Yeah.
To these. Yeah, so.
Man, I've been doing it all day.
I told you.
Yeah.
I did not just get that on
Is
camera.
that funny?
Yes.
You gotta go camera.
The
Yes.
second time I almost died close to this garage. The first time they saw it when I was trying to go up the stairs. Check it out. Trying to do this for the battery dies. Ooh, almost. Ooh.
So what are you doing?
So, because he has two catch cans, you have to cut a hole in the skid plate so that you can actually reach up and drain the valve. So, got a Dremel, safety first. I'm gonna cut a hole out here, and then use the other bit over there to deburr it so it's not like weapon.
Can't put my glasses on.
We're gonna use the other bit to deburr it so you don't actually cut yourself. So I'm gonna make a square cut, and then use the other one to make it like a rounded cut on the edges. So that's what we're gonna do now.
I'll just try to zoom in on what you're doing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit myself.
I wish I would have got that on camera.
I'm glad you did. Now, do you need me to come on in deep there and hold it up for you?
What do you mean by that?
Stop. Relax.
I should find the Volvo first.
That's such.
Alright, that's it. Is that a big one? Hand me one of the old.
Not you, Sean.
I want to turn around.
That's why I went and grabbed my glove real quick. I was like, I'm about to touch this.
One, two, three, four. That's your big one. Is there two big ones and two smaller ones?
Yes.
Yes, that was too big.
No.
No, that was too. I mean, the hole was too big.
Okay, so I found. Okay. This goes here. This goes here.
So that's one of the smaller ones.
Okay. Give me one of the big ones.
All right.
That's a big one.
Yes.
I surprisingly don't remember how we did it 2 years ago.
I just lay it on my back like this.
Which one?
Big
Big one.
A big one, yep. 생각이 나.
Hmm?
Okay. Small one. Small one.
The last one.
The last mallet. Where'd I get that from?
I have no clue.
What?
Have you not seen Ice Age?
I only saw like the first part of it in the beginning. That was it.
Really? You never seen Ice Age?
Okay. The black 12 box.
Okay.
Hey.
We didn't even find two boxes.
Go to the bottom drawer. Yeah, the bottom one.
See the convenience? They didn't put some work. Oh no, not this one. Perfect.
It's okay.
See my head?
Mm-hmm. Quick and easy.
Oh, sorry. This is a size 19 for the bigger bolts. I think the small one, I think is 17.
How cool.
So it's done. It's also dark outside. Camera's freezing. That's what looks weird. See that? It looks like it's like lagging. Like it looks slow. It's cold. The camera's cold. But it's done. Put the light under here. And the full skid plate is all installed. We had to use some old hardware because some of the stuff was the what are they? U nuts, right? The U nuts are kind of bogus, but
We gotta get some new ones for the front bumper only. So
yeah. But it's all installed into there, all complete. The hole right here is perfect for the catch cans. And yeah, that's everything. It's all done. This one actually, I should take it out.
that one in the middle.
Yeah, it's in there, but it's not even. It's
because
like,
of the U-nut.
yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
There we go. Got it.
Didn't come out.
It got out, but yeah, that U nut. Some of the U nuts in there. If you don't know what U nuts are, they look like no, there was one on the ground. Over somewhere.
U-nut.
There was one on the ground. I thought I had one on the ground.
Is that it over there?
No.
No, it's leaf. Oh well, basically I can show you what it is. You guys have seen them before. They're covered up, of course. The U nuts. Yeah.
Oh, here.
Thought I had one. I swear I had one over here. That right there, it's called a U nut. If it focuses on the camera, on the screen. Oh yeah, that's a U nut. And some of those are they kind of seize up and they get stuck. So yeah, that's why the one in the front, you can't put the screw in because the U nut, it's hard to see. The U nut in there is rusted out. But yeah.
So we're gonna replace those probably next weekend.
Yeah.
This weekend's over.
This weekend's over. It's Sunday. Almost Monday. Oh yeah. So the car's done. I'm gonna put it down. And then that's it. We'll do my car either tomorrow or next week because it's a little cold and
Just a little bit.
sometimes this stuff takes a little longer than it's supposed to. So yeah. That's it.
Oh yeah, make sure your front lip is not upside down.
Oh yeah, the front part of the skid plate. There's two sections, and that front section right there, we had it upside down, and we couldn't figure it out. Yeah.
It has us looking silly for a little bit. So
Yeah.
well, it's late. We've been out here for
3-4 hours.
yeah,
Something like that. What time is
Something like
it? 8:30.
9 o'clock.
It's 9 or 5 hours.
Time to, so it's time to eat some dinner
Yeah.
and call it a night.
That's it. That's it. It's cold. We're done. Oh, now you want to leave, huh? No, we're done.
You're not gonna help us clean up?
Peace out.